Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable the VPN button in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your Brave browser. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. From these options, click on Appearance. This section contains settings that control how your browser looks and what elements are visible in the interface, including toolbars and buttons. Now, click on Customize your toolbar. This feature lets you control which buttons and icons appear on your browser's toolbar, giving you the ability to personalize your browsing experience by adding or removing specific tools based on what you actually use. In the right panel, look for VPN. This is the option that controls whether the VPN button appears in your browser's toolbar or stays hidden. Having quick access to this button can be really convenient if you use Brave's VPN service regularly, while hiding it can help keep your toolbar clean if you don't need it. To enable the VPN button, click the toggle switch next to VPN to turn it on. When enabled, the VPN button will appear in your browser's toolbar, making it easy to activate or deactivate your VPN connection with just one click whenever you need it. To disable the VPN button, click the toggle switch next to VPN to turn it off. The toggle will become gray, indicating that the feature is now disabled. When you do this, the VPN button will disappear from your toolbar, giving you a cleaner interface if you don't plan on using the VPN feature. And that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled the VPN button in your Brave browser toolbar. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.